Hi, this patient couldn't smile because of his absence of lateral incisor with retained root stem. We discussed the treatment plan with the patient, extracted root stem and installed the implant fixture. After 3 to 6 months of healing period, we used healing cap to achieve proper gingival form. So there the design of the gingival form is maintained. You can evaluate here occlusally and on the buccal side the gingival form. After that we have taken an impression, open tray impression for final prosthesis. Before final prosthesis we will check inclination of abutment. So here we have placed the abutment, checked occlusal clearance and final prosthesis. Now you can evaluate and you can analyze pre-operative and post-operative observation. Thank you.